howdy. Welcome to another round of IB nominations. The first person was nominated for being a great communicator. This teacher is always trying to make sure that we know what we are supposed to be doing. She asks us questions to make sure we understood what she said and encourages us to ask questions if we don't. This teacher is also very caring because in her fourth period Zoom session, she actually cried a little because she cared so much about us understanding the content. I think that she's an amazing person and teacher who doesn't always get the appreciation that she deserves. So thank you, Mrs. Bronk, for all that you do. Forget about it. You talking to me? This next person was nominated for being a great communicator. The scholar helps me with any assignments I don't understand and is always there for me. As well as helping me, also helps a lot of his other friends. Thank you, Martinez, for being a good friend, you filthy animal.
This next scholar was nominated for being caring. Paige is one of the nicest people I know. She's always been there for me whenever I needed someone to talk to. She has showed me that there is light and hope and she will always be like a sister to me, and I love her. I hope that we always stay best friends. She's amazing and nice and bright and caring and loving. Thank you, Paige Booger, for being caring.
This next scholar was nominated for being caring. She's always there to support me and get me through tough times. Whenever I'm in a rough patch, she doesn't hesitate to help me or others. She is incredibly caring to everyone she meets and knows, and I couldn't ask for a better person in my life. Thank you, Sanchez, for being so caring.
This next scholar was nominated for being caring. He has helped many people with their work and is always seeking to see if anyone else needs help. Thank you, Noah Fargo, for being a caring scholar.
And for this last IB nomination, apparently my mom was nominated for being balanced. So, thank you, Mom, for raising such an amazing son. Have a great week, Minotaurs, and lead on.